the age of intelligent manufacturing, the automotive industry stands at a critical turning point driven by rising expectations, smart mobility, and the need for zero-defect production. But even with all its progress, the industry still struggles with key challenges: inconsistent quality checks, missed defects like dents, cracks, or poor fittings, downtime due to unpredictable maintenance, safety compliance gaps, lack of visibility into workforce performance. This is where AvizOps Solutions comes in. We empower automotive manufacturing with cognitive AI and object-oriented automation, bringing intelligence, speed, and precision to every layer of production.
AvizOps
is helping automotive leaders solve real challenges through its AIQ Smart solution. Visual inspection with computer vision, assembly and fitting verification, painting and aesthetic quality checks, engine and component validation, safety compliance and mounting, multi-angle finished vehicle inspections. And it doesn't stop at machines.
AvizOps
extends intelligence to your people and processes. Real-time process parameter monitoring, AI bots for maintenance and support, workforce compliance and safety monitoring powered by computer vision and biometrics.
With AvizOps Solutions, you gain
faster detection, fewer defects, predictive maintenance and reduced downtime, digital twin-backed visibility and decision-making, safer, smarter manufacturing. The future of automotive manufacturing is real-time, AI-powered, and virtually mapped.
With AvizOps Solutions, you're already there.